Hi guys, my name is Joe Gannon and welcome to my YouTube channel where I help you to maximize your LinkedIn content. So right now, only 1 to 2% of people on LinkedIn actually create content. This is a great opportunity for you to really get ahead. And if you're thinking about things like hashtag strategies, which you are because you're watching this video, in LinkedIn's own words, you should be using hashtags to establish your credibility and also your expertise. You should also be using your hashtags to reach people who value your insights, and you should be starting meaningful conversations with people who share similar interests. This is really useful for us to know, because if we know what the platform values hashtags for, we can actually understand why they rolled them out in the first place, and perhaps how LinkedIn's algorithm does favor content that uses hashtags. As LinkedIn's algorithm is a machine, we need to know what LinkedIn are looking for so we can keep getting ticks in boxes whenever we post content on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn do have a best practice guide for hashtags, which I'll put in the description box, which is where I got those 3 points about what LinkedIn are looking for with their hashtags. Now, LinkedIn's quite a funny platform because they only rolled out hashtags in 2018. Microsoft acquired LinkedIn in 2016. And since then, we've seen quite a dramatic change in what LinkedIn is like as a platform. This is why your hashtag strategy is going to be different on LinkedIn in comparison to other platforms. If you've seen any of my other videos about LinkedIn, you're going to hear me talk about organic reach. So organic reach means that when you create a post, if someone comments on your post, they're going to be showing their audience your content. So already LinkedIn is a really great place to have your content seen by new audiences without you having to actively use hashtags, for example, to get it there. So since hashtags are actually fairly new on LinkedIn, it just shows exactly where the platform's going. And if you've been on LinkedIn and you do create content on LinkedIn already, you're going to see almost, every week, every few months, there's new features being rolled out as more people create content, as LinkedIn becomes more and more as a content platform.